garage. I'm about ready to install this tailgate table for a Jeep JK that I got from Amazon, made by E-Autogrilles. Looks like it's a fairly new item out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a review on the table itself. So I'll go ahead and put a link above. You can check that out before, but this is for just the installation of this item. Here's the main bracket here that has to be mounted to the table. What they recommend, to the tailgate, what they recommend is putting this in place, closing the door, and then allowing it to sit on the upper edge of the, so make sure you have clearance. And I went ahead and did that and took out the holes. You can see they're slotted, so you have some movement up and down. So I'm going to try to just kind of center the location of each one of these I have to drill out. Now these require Nutserts, and so you'll need a Nutsert tool, and it also requires a 11/32 drill bit or a step drill. So I have one here. I went ahead and marked it off with the black tape where I need to go down to. So the first step was to mark out where I'm going to drill the 6 holes. I'm noticing on the bottom hole here there's kind of a inner structure in the way, so I'm going to drill a little bit lower on that one. It's still within the slot, and hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. So okay, all the holes are drilled out. So I'll go and get my Nutsert tool and put in those Nutserts. So here's my Astro 442 Nutsert tool. I'll go ahead and put a link on this. I also purchased this from Amazon. I also use this to install my fenders on my Jeep. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll go ahead and put a link above. But basically the way this works is these are your Nutserts. They get screwed onto the tool here. Put that all the way down, make sure your tool's open, and put that all the way in the hole, and you just squeeze. So, okay, so what I'm finding with these Nutserts in some of this area, this is like a double wall thickness here, 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 and on the bottom end here. I'm not able to fully compress them, but I try to get them as tight as I can, and then go ahead and it looks like it's holding. But I went ahead and used the ones that came with this kit with the Astro 1442 tool, because they're gnawed here, versus the ones that this one supplied is not. So I want to go ahead and continue. The next step installing this is using these 6mm bolts and washers they supplied, and mount the bottom 4 bracket. Do the middle 2 here first, just to get it in place. Bottom 2. Just putting these in loose now, and then I'll adjust it. I'll adjust it all once it's in. Okay, on the top 2, you're gonna install these rubber grommets that they give you with the washer and the bolt. Go ahead and put that through, and then you install the top 2 with these. The other recommendations is they supply really small washers. I might want to go ahead and upgrade those. It's a little bit bigger washer. It just barely fits in the slot here. So if you tighten too much, it might even fall into the slot. But for now, I think it's okay. If it gives me a problem, I'll go ahead and replace those with larger washers. So now I'll go ahead and mount the tabletop to the bracket here. Do that. Mounting this table here, which goes like this, is putting it in the channel, and then go ahead and just clip these in place, and then we'll go ahead and install the supplied bolts, nuts and bolts. So it'll be one washer on the outside, one washer on the inside, and then the spacer which is this that you see here will go in between. And go ahead and do that now. Guide this washer in, put the bolt through so I can get it into the washer, and now I can line up the door to where it needs to be, and put the bolt through the door, and voila. So I'll put another washer on the outside, inside, and then the bolt through that, hold it in place. Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you the final install of this E-Autogrill tailgate tabletop. Took me about half an hour to install. It's made out of a steel material. It has a kind of a powder coated rough finish, kind of what you find on the aftermarket bumpers and so forth. Has this really cool Jeep design here, and they also have their logo laser etched in their cutout. Uses a solid steel structure and 2 latches to hold it in place. Like that. Okay. You're undoing the latches, you just roll the thing down, and pretty secure. Doesn't have any wires that are connected from here to there like you see on some of the other designs. Uses this metal brace across the bottom to hold the tabletop up. I guess you could probably put about 30-50 pounds on here if need be. These hole cutouts, you can see, doesn't really fall right through there, so maybe I'll put some kind of little cup holder deal in there, but same thing with your beers, it doesn't really hold a beer. And actually, I guess it has like somewhat of a bottle opener here if you wanted to use it that way. But there you go. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more of these types of videos. Thanks for watching.